Hello kids, here's today's Harry Potter video. Okay, well one of them. And it's going to get uploaded today. And yes, y'all will get the Sirius Black Wand review, I promise. Uh, Maybe today, I don't know, but it depends on if I have time. So I went to McKay's with Grandma Puzzled Skunk. Okay, so let me get the sticky. I paid $9 at McKay's for this. Sticky off carefully without wrecking the plastic covering. So this is a lot like my Picket journal. It will never be used. It is for display use only. And it looks gorgeous. I actually picked it because I'm tempted to actually get one for use. Look at it. It is gorgeous. Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. And then it's got the Weasley's Wizard Wheezes logo on the back. Okay, is it just me or would that make a good stained glass? I'm sorry, just like yes. It's so beautiful. See? It says it right here. Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. Ruled journal with pockets. Archival paper. Let's see, is this the same people? Yeah, it's the exact same people as my Picket journal. Insights. Oh, look, it says it again on the side. Yeah, so it's gorge. It's gorge. It's got a pocket. Again, this will never get used. I am going to buy me another one for use, though, because I want another journal. Because I like to have different journals for different things. So I've got one journal that I use for writing things. One that's being used for my novel I'm working on, and nothing else. And then I've got other ones for other things. Because if I don't like a journal once it's been put, something has been put into it. I don't like mixing things up. Hold on, y'all. Okay, but so I buy different ones for different things because I don't like to have mixed journals. Like I've got one that's specifically just for YouTubing, but I think I might have accidentally got rid of it, and I need to actually make a new one because so we can write our stuff and when I do my scripts for episodes and things, I can do that. So yeah, I need to get another. Gonna get another one of these ones. And it's gonna be beautiful. I'm going to love it. And sorry, y'all, I got sidetracked a minute. But yeah. Oh, and then this cute little thing. Yeah, I got that today from a friend of the channel. Well, okay, an acquaintance of the channel, more like well, no, friend of the channel. That's actually more like it. Friend of the channel. I don't know where I'm gonna stick this. I'll probably stick it upstairs on the shelf. It'll look nice. Oh God. Wow, that's go. Right, and then so that happened. So yeah, I'll see you kids in the next video. Bye bye.